Today, we're addressing a common issue many iOS users are facing after updating to iOS 18.11, Wi-Fi connectivity problems. If your Wi-Fi has started acting up, stay with me as we go through a few simple fixes to get everything working smoothly again. Let's jump right in. A quick and reliable first step is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and any one of the side buttons until the slide to power off bar appears. Swipe to turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then press the power button again until the Apple logo shows up. Once your iPhone restarts, check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If the restart doesn't do the trick, the next method is to forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, locate your network, tap the eye icon, and choose Forget this network. Confirm it, then return to your Wi-Fi list. Select the same network and reconnect by entering the password. This often fixes connection or authentication issues. If the problem is still there, our third step is to reset network settings. Remember, this will erase all network-related data, including saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings. Go to Settings, open General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice. Your iPhone will restart, and afterward, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and adjust any custom network setups. It's a more advanced fix, but it usually resolves stubborn Wi-Fi problems. And that's it. 3 simple ways to troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi issues after installing the iOS 18.11 update. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have questions or if any of these steps worked for you, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.